Hey, it's your movement docs, Nolan and Dom from Balance Flow, and today we're teaching you how to stretch your tight pecs with a friend.
And I'm going to be the friend, and Nolan will have very tight pecs today.
Okay.
So lay down on your back on this beautiful foam roller. If you don't have a foam roller, either get one or just use your table. It's really okay. If you don't have a friend, you can just open up your arms. And honestly, this is a good stretch, right? But if you have me or someone else, you can step right behind them, take your hands and place them close to their pecs. So not here on their arms, this is gonna hurt. Right over here. And we also call it contract and release. I'm going to ask Nolan to contract the muscles and lift his shoulders up towards the ceiling on a count of 5. Then I'm going to ask him to relax completely as I give him a little bit extra pressure. There you go, and relax those muscles. So the research shows if you contract them a lot, then they're going to relax a lot. And then he's going to do it again. And I'm going to count to 5 in my head. And then he's going to release again. There you go. What did you think?
Great. I'm all stretched out now.
So, if you want to know more,
like us, follow us, subscribe to all our stuff.
all of it. And be body-wise.